yeah, we think we fixed the problem from Saturday, because on Saturday I was just driving along, and then there was a misfire in, and then so I pulled in, but I didn't know I could go a bit harder on the engine, and then but then my dad told me what to do next session, and then if this ever happens to you during a race, just put the clutch and go whap 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 whap. So yeah, we think we fixed that, because here's what we done. We replaced the carburetor, because it was just wrecked, and we put in the new one, and it blows better.
Do you want to start up?
Yeah, of course. Really? Sounds a lot better. So yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow because we got to test it. Yippee!